Indian cricket team captain Virat Kohli announced on Thursday that he will be stepping down as the T20 captain after the completion of the Men's T20 World Cup in Oman and the UAE in October. Virat shared a statement on social media to announce the same. Now, the cricketer's wife Anushka Sharma has come out in his support. Anushka shared Virat's post on her Instagram stories and shared a heart emoji along with the post. Kohli has taken this decision to manage his workload, which has been quite high in the last 5-6 years, as he has led India in all three formats. Though he has been playing in all three formats for last 8-9 years, Kohli will continue to do so and said he will continue to contribute as a batsman in T20s. Through his official Twitter handle, Kohli has thanked everyone who has supported him in his journey as the captain of the Indian team in all formats. He also said that he has given everything to the team as the T20 captain and will continue to contribute to the team as a batsman in future. I have been fortunate enough to not only represent India but also lead the Indian cricket team to my utmost capability. I thank everyone who has supported me in my journey as the captain of the Indian cricket team. I could not have done it without them, the boys, the support staff, the selection committee, my coaches, and each and every Indian who prayed for us to win, said Kohli in his statement. Kohli said that he will continue to serve as India's Test and ODI captain. Understanding workload is a very important thing, and considering my immense workload over the last 8-9 years, playing all three formats and captaining regularly for last 5-6 years, I feel I need to give myself space to be fully ready to lead the Indian team in Test and ODI cricket. I have given everything to the team during my time as T20 captain, and I will continue to do so for the T20 team as a batsman moving forward. Of course, arriving at this decision took a lot of time. After a lot of contemplation and discussions with my close people, Ravi Bhai and also Rohit, who have been an essential part of the leadership group, I have decided to step down as the T20 captain after this T20 World Cup in Dubai in October. I have also spoken to the secretary Mr. Jay Shah and the president of BCCI Mr. Saurav Ganguly along with all the selectors about the same. I will continue to serve Indian cricket and the Indian team to the best of my ability, concluded Kohli.
Subscribe to our channel. Just click on the bell icon for all the latest updates.